All you need for this video is to be on a blank Excel workbook, and we'll start out by looking at entering text. Click on to cell B3, and that makes this cell become the active cell. You know that the cell is active because it has a thicker dark line around it. Type in the word "the", but don't press enter or click away. When you've finished typing, you should see that there is a flashing cursor at the end of the text, which lets us know that we are now in typing mode. Also notice when we type that it is left aligned. Now go ahead and press enter, which accepts the text and moves the active cell down a row. Also notice that the text has stayed left aligned. Now that alignment doesn't mean anything now, but it will in a moment. Now we're going to type in a number, and I'm going to type the number 12. Again, don't press enter. You can see that as the number is typed, it is left aligned just like the text. Now go ahead and press enter, and you'll see that once the figure is accepted, it becomes right aligned. Now this is extremely important to note within Excel. Text by default will left align, as in we didn't put on left alignment, it did it by itself, and that means it is non-calculable. Numbers by default will right align, as in we didn't put on right alignment, it did it by itself, and that means it is calculable. We'll use the Tab key to accept this time, rather than pressing enter. The Tab key is generally situated on the left-hand side of the keyboard above the button called Caps Lock. Let's type in the number 23, and this time press the Tab key, which accepts it but moves the active cell 1 to the right. Let's try that again. Type 34 and press the Tab key. Next we'll look at two of the buttons to the right of the name box. The X is a cancel button, and the tick is an enter button. I use the tick in particular extensively, so let's see how they work. Type in 45, and to accept it, this time we'll click on the tick. The tick accepts it, but unlike the enter key on the keyboard, it doesn't move the active cell down, it keeps the current cell as the active cell. I use it a lot as I'm generally planning to do something else to the cell after I've accepted it. Click on to cell F2 and type in 67. We've decided we don't want to keep that, and because we haven't accepted it yet, we can click on the X, which will cancel what we're doing, and put the cell back to the way it was. You can also use the Escape key on the keyboard to cancel out of something that hasn't been accepted. The Escape key is generally situated in the top left-hand corner of the keyboard. Now type anything at all into the cell, but just don't press enter. Then, if you change your mind, just press the Escape key to cancel. So go back over all we've looked at and familiarise yourself with the different features and their names. Then, when you're ready, you can move on to the next video called Enter a Table of Data using this workbook or another blank workbook.